ايوا رشق لينا نخرجوا نتمشاو، قال لك في الشتاء والرعد والبرق. حكموا عليا الدراري. البرق، الريح، ما كاينش البرد. يعني فلوريدا الجو جميل وشاعري. سمعتو بلاتي عجبهم يخرجوا نتمشاو بالحومه، نحيدوا القنطه ديال الدار. جاو من المدرسه داروا الهوم وورك ديالهم. ماي جاد البرق، وانا ما لابساش النظر، ما تنشوف شاي. نترينيو تحزيمه، محزمين يا رب السلام. سبحانه يسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. سبحانه يسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. Hi guys, how are you? Today, as we speak now, it's crazy weather and we are walking. walking. Yep, my girls, they're crazy like mom. See? Rather, she's brave, she doesn't care. She's here, she's there. Yeah. Florida. شفتوا البرق lightning and we're crazy. We're going walking in that weather. Keep walking. How is it, Rayhan? How you like it, Rayhan? Bueno? Why you keep speaking Spanish to me? Oh my God, Shilburk. Huh? I don't know Spanish. Subhanallah, مغير الأحوال، الصهد والشمس ومع ذلك. It's gonna be really heavy. It's starting, but it's gonna be heavy and we are crazy. Oh, hello.
Look, it's a lake.
What is it?
You missed it.
Lake. Yeah, nice garden. Really beautiful. Oh my God, the lightning. It's killing me. I don't have my eyeglasses with me.
Why not?
It's gonna be watery again. So what do I say? I don't have wind on. You have umbrella, not what is it? A beach umbrella? Not just umbrella. So.
You want mine?
No, I'm okay. I have my jacket, raincoat, so I'm okay. I'm okay. It's just crazy to decide to go walking. Yeah. Just to the park is gonna be hard now.
Then we can play on the street.
And my phone is getting wet. So I'm gonna stop now. See when we go back home. Ooh. Come over. Don't take a shower. Come on. Come over. Oh, I know you cannot hear me. Yeah, it's rumbling. Hey girl. You thirsty? She's opening her mouth. It's getting hard. Let's go back.
Excuse me?
Yes. Excuse you?
Let's go play in the park.
Playing what? I didn't say. You are crazy. Serious. Being crazy to walk on this time? No. Let's go back. No.
I think you're joking.
Come on, let's go. Hallelujah. Don't be silly. You're already sick. You see? Hey, please stay away from the lightning. Come on. What is it?
It is in the sky.
It's in the sky. No, it can't hit anything. It's coming from the sky, but not stay in the sky. Relative vergeten, I.
Good. That means you put in the work.
You're crazy. It's all your idea. Crazy. Begging for nothing.
Let's go play in the swings.
I'm gonna take him to the playground for babies.
We are children.
Close to the park and we're back, okay? Play in the park? I don't think so. It's open. I don't think so, baby. Are you serious? Look at him. You serious? You still thirsty? Let's hide. Let's hide.
Hide where?
Under the umbrella. That's all her fault, this girl. She is crazy.
Aren't I so smart?
And we are just driving ourselves crazy now.
No, we're not. We're having fun.
That's not fun. You're gonna get sick. Corona.
What? Don't you mean the flu?
So we're hitting
Oh,
right to the
okay.
entrance. Oops!
A duck.
The duck.
Show the duck.
The duck. Look at the poor duck. Look at her or him. And he's closing, she's closing the eye. Look at the other one. They're almost in this house.
Run, Mama. Let's go.
Let's go back. No, we're going back. I'm wet already.
Sure.
Let's go. No.
Turn
That's
around.
it. No. You're already wet. Look at you. Crazy. She is crazy. This is crazy. Let's go. No. Just to the corner right there. Let's go. All together. She's crazy. I swear.
You listen.
It's on your phone. I'm listening. I did listen to you. I told you it's raining. Do you hear anything? Can you hear anything now? We should go back home. Enough.
What's school?
I know. The after school people. The side of the umbrella, it's licking on me badly. Sophie, my back hurts now. People, they're gonna tell we are crazy. Guys, are you okay? Do you have somewhere to go? Do you have anybody to give you a ride? Yes? No?
Playground. You can sit under those benches.
Don't be crazy, eh? She's crazy, I swear. She doesn't care. Can't. It's closed. Let's go. She wants to play in playground, baby playground. Boom boom, you are boom boom. Let's go. Oh my God. She doesn't care, that girl. You're right.
Can I hop the bed?
No. Oh my God. Stop. Are you serious? Are you serious? My back hurts. Right to the shower.
Not me.
We are crazy.
Behind cat.
She's
Me?
crazy too, not me. I'm crazy mom listening to them.
You're so cute, Mom.
Yes, I'm cute.
Touching
I'm old.
It's not touching you.
I'm old.
Hello?
Hello?
It's not touching you.
Then it's touching me. My wet. Everything is cold. It's wet. So everything is wet. Look at her. That's it.
Why is she running? Why is she running? This is where I get my speed walk from. She's gone. She left. Who are you racing? I'm catching up to her. I'm catching up! Right there. I caught up, guys. Don't think she can hear you. Oh, there. No. Who is she racing?
I'm racing myself.
Hi. Ow. She's running. Oh.
We made it.
Woo.